Some people, I be things are going up on TikTok. You see me I say? So the Lion Man and the kick off yesterday. Seeing but him kick off with the husband before him and the kick off. Seeing him and the and Kavi kick off, and whatever go on. So him and Mackerel lip on live and like him a tell Mackerel whatever go on, and Mackerel go make, a comment about, what go on, and D pick it up cause D and Mackerel no good for a long time. You see me? And D say Mackerel a job word ever since she do her body. You see me I say? So D come from Mackerel, my people. Zine and Destiny giant D a this up Mackerel. Zine Mackerel respond to D and one big cousin. You see me? Cause far Mackerel and D a come from with the cousin thing, Seeing? So Blinger go live and Mackerel over Bling live. I tell Bling everything wagwan. You see me? So we're gonna kick it off with Bling and Mackerel, and then we're going to Mackerel at this D and D at this Mackerel. Even King get involved in it because I think did go on with King and D them and a gifter. You see me I say? And the gifter end up come on D live, come and make D know say she no want her name call up in a them foolishness. You see me? So now I go hear everything my people. We go kick it off with Mackerel and Blinger. I talk about the whole thing, and then we get in at the rest side.
Streets youth, I was only encouraging and say, Jaden, listen, not everybody you must play with, stay in a lane. Not everybody when you can run suck with me and you can run joke with other people. Not everybody have to run it with, else him would get that disrespect. What did I say wrong?
I saw a screen recording of you, a class D and D a class U.
No, before we reach that, I am telling you how it all started.
Okay, so how it started? What?
I said I was talking to Jaden in Jaden box. Remember them tell Jaden for suck out him and I know yesterday. And she put camera over garbage because Jaden see him and disrespect the youth, right?
All right,
you see that?
all right, so how is that your business? What you have
I
with
was
D?
just telling the boys, say, listen, take a look at encouraging. We not two blood clot, big for take encouraging words. And everybody you play with, you stay in your lane, ray, and you have to feel off of people energy. If
But
he has done that, what you mean? Listen, if he has done that, it would work for disrespect. Chatala, me I tell, I didn't call the name, I didn't mention you, I didn't acknowledge you. Did I acknowledge her? At no point when I was in the box with Jaden, I not acknowledge. But because them feel like so them have one like a blood clot, tough body now, and them feel like they put up on the workout when I say I get no contract, I go nowhere. I didn't mention you. Remember, I blinger. If me did so much, I pick for that girl, but I call the name, though. Like
what's this poor people?
Don't go call the name. Like how me that pick for me, kind of say, boy, blood clot, you know, say me, could push on. Blinger, you know me. You know, not spread anybody can, nobody that know me gift I didn't put a D never comes to the rose over here, say yet. So me just encourage Jaden because I tweet that bro, that nigga. I want to check at the end of the day, everybody have fun feelings. And Jelana in no shape nor form to be disrespecting the young youth. Chat a lie, me I tell you for the wrong on the talk. Fear and right is right. Bring a don't buy out the argument, no bring a
No. I'm not. Listen, I'm the one who, this is what I do. I quiz both sides. I don't take sides.
Okay.
No. With you now. You say you just jump in because Jade now your friend, right?
But me never jump in for say, me a bash the girl. All no, I didn't bash her. I was just telling the boy, I say, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. What is that for you to be picking up in the head? Oh, 412 in the morning. Me a subs yo. You me a talk Mackerel. You fake no bitch. Me a subs yo. If I want to subs you, yes or no, you big bad bully for come blood clot to call my name. When they call my name, they go call back your name.
What does it mean? Remember me all.
Beat at now look problem. The beat at now look problem with me.
All right, remember me all, what subs mean?
Say me not true, me not call her name. It's like me a throw
Okay.
shades.
Okay, shades, all right.
So
So
I
listen,
respect you not to call in your name because I not with a problem with you. Me could have called you, so I know, me click the live and me not see over here.
all right, so look here now. Agilani, you fi cuss, not D.
You not listen, the blinger. You done, sir, what blinger? Stop.
Me done.
Yeah, me realize. Stop confuse the situation. Me it's not a case of me a cuss nobody. Me just a said to the youth, say, stay in your lane, feed off of people energy. Ray. That's all what me I said to the youth. You're too
That's
enough.
true.
Because you
That's
gone
true.
over people place, gonna get disrespect. You're too enough, stay in your lane. Me now let me say, Chilani wrong. We know the word done to say Chilani wrong. I didn't have to come and point that onto Jaden's face. We don't pass that already. This girl is very tormented in our marriage life. So you see the fact that she torment, the two of them
Yes.
torment, both the husband, both the wife. Because we could have never happy so. I mean, I live like Shanzi and Nino.
So Jesus. So why this take a twist, Mackerel? This took
So here we go on, my people. You see, D and Mackerel, a long time them at for one another. You see me? A long time them no good. You see it. So because Mackerel you know I talk to the lion man and I tell him some things, D just pick it up, and start this Mackerel. But it look like say even before that Mackerel this D, you know what I mean? A true word at D. So they just come answer Mackerel, and the Mackerel him love them type of mix up, yeah. The Mackerel him love mix up and love cuss, and me know say if one of them hold him look ass, a different thing, you see me I say, and him love cuss. But make watch some more people. I hear where Mackerel tell Bling, and then we are gonna go over to D and also where Mackerel say.
a twist and you start. No. Do you only start because you see one screen recording where she say your subs are?
Yeah, so she put it up back. I say, she said this. She said this.
Me nah sneak this you. May I tell you, brawling, you're a fake bitch. And yes, Mackerel, are you may I talk? So stop the subs. Okay. All right.
That's everything start now. If I want to talk to Jaden Blinger, it is my business. Me I in a cross street a long time, me I in a friend. You just have my number, me just have your number. And I just said no, me not play the match with them and follow you a long time. So if I want to talk to Jaden because I didn't, I'm my business. You gonna click your live, you gonna show, you know the fire where the fire bust your stuff. You have hard person, you know if you post up when girl fire bust. Because your girl will call police for your husband for them jail him and blood clot help you. Your girl will bad pay status, oh the help,
Thank you, guys.
you don't do that. You don't do that.
Boy, Mackerel, this take a twist real blood clot fast because Yana start to go down Emmanuel Road now and things attack.
Yeah, and then you got dig up long time. If you come to me, Blinger, and you chat Derek with me, anything we see about Derek, me I go show you. You come to me and you chat Rochelle with me. Say anything with Rochelle, me show you. Me show you. So you got big up some long time argument. You got Blinger, you never did see when the car did that drive off, I'm hold up on the door and job. You never did see the long time video there.
No, sir, but me I hear you. She dig up the long time and
This
video
is
them
long
and
time video. When my face did cut yesterday in December, I did see the long time. You remember the long time picture there?
yes, remember
That's
that.
how she have. So me I go tell her, me I go cuss that girl. I me I go cuss her. Yeah, me boy, my face did bust, but guess what? I know my worth and I know my value, and I move right. I move the fang, and I'm happy today. Yeah, still I get beaten up until this day. Up until this day, you been massacred. Yesterday, D look freed upon the live. Freed. Him where you embarrassed and you sit there. You take embarrassment. No baby girl, me know my words. Remember good. You can't argue me. Come before the blood clot walk us through us to one in a glass house. Man, where you had to come back to later. Yesterday, you had to go get a lick of your ass.
All right, so Mackerel, listen now, because a lot of things was spoken. Explain to us about the crash car scam. Was it a scam for real?
Who said it was a scam? Mama tell you. Me
Listen, the chat said D say the
D
crash
was there.
car was a
D
scam.
was there. Then she go tell me she wasn't there. It cannot be a scam. If it was a scam, oh, Kizzy that got in and buy back a new car. I didn't tell Kizzy to do that. She do it off of her own.
Push up a score my side.
Yes, she ever say over her life. Me could have angled Kizzy the situation better. But your man know how to angle you. He might beat you. All the different love you and beat you. All the fun for love you and hurt you. Eh, more, bring an answer that now. TikTok boss say, yeah, TikTok boss there. Yeah, still gonna make TikTok boss beat you.
He
So
can't lick me.
yeah, you don't come on, come take
TikTok
that
boss
advice from
can't lick
nobody.
me, Mackerel. Anyway.
Girl.
TikTok police can't lick me, Mackerel. I want thing him gonna lick me with. But anyway.
Man, lick your woman, give vex, not raise them on at you. What kind of example you said? If me never want marriage, come on, I can go out as me like, come in as me like, chat passport with man all night.
Alright.
Oh.
So listen now. Listen
Yes.
to what me I say now. Boy, Mackerel just at so fun the other day. You know, cool down.
My attorney talk about them, that's why them did have a blood clot post a status. Because they said nobody now use them and they look a comeback. You know, see, she have a cuss Jaden yesterday. She have a cuss Jaden because she see her body do and nobody don't recognize the body. You know, see, when Kizzy do the body, Lord Fashion call him.
But the body look good.
Time.
But the body look good. The body look good, Mackerel.
My body look better. Look at it. This a natural body, you know.
You look good too, but the body look good. We not go around that. So
My body natural and nice.
which is right. So what me I gonna say to you now? Thank you, official all uno. People wear shoot. I appreciate you, but you know me have to talk to this Mackerel. Yeah. But thank you very much. I appreciate.
Why you gonna talk about Kiara scam? Why when they come over your life and RT blamar? Why them never tell us say that look a sham them did I use for buy a plane ticket? When they come oh Gila they breed girl.
What?
What?
So you're saying that D was involved in that? No, I don't think she was involved in that because she was as much shocked as us.
Yeah, money, we as much shock as us.
What the bumble clock this? You're trying to say, you're telling the people on TikTok.
Your man don't work. Your man don't work. Your man don't work. He's there with you 24/7. Right through. Where man fit find time for go to go breed girl?
Mackerel, listen. You chat till you chat shit sometime.
Yeah,
Now.
man, chat shit sometime.
No, but I really don't think that D would have done that because me and D are talk and me I say, boy, we can't trust them
like
money.
You come like you're an idiot. Let me tell them do. Don't they come out with both them pregnant and they're not pregnant?
I think she just did that because our candidate say. Listen,
I
Mackerel.
think she just did that because of our money.
Alright.
Look.
Me not take up for none of them. You know me not the partner side. Guys, push up the score. Listen, Mackerel.
Low battery.
Listen.
So tell me one of the things so far, people, because most of them people up on TikTok, them line up low. You see what I say? And when Dee did come out and I say she a breed, and then when she come and we find out say she do her body, me did I say, Jano, she can't tell nobody nothing again. You see me, because people now gonna believe her. You see me I say? And enough of them come out and then pull off some things, forget gift and them something there. Me no know why she tell people say she did a breed still when her body she go do. Maybe she want keep everybody out her thing for when she a go just come out and put out the picture them or something. You know what I mean? So maybe that's why she tell people say she a breed. But make me no want to think in the comment me people. We are going to watch some more and then we are going to hear what they say and then we are going to hear some more Mackerel say.
Blinga, we can't work with you, Blinga. You go like your bagger.
No, are you bagger because you know you want everybody agree with what you are say. That's the
You
thing.
don't have to agree. Blinga is not agree, but it's sense or nonsense. Yeah, my twist up, but just
So tell us. Alright, so tell us, we're talking to you. You say it was a scam the other day, a plot. The pregnant now, listen girl, Mary's with your blood clot. Cause you know when you come and start some is there. The pregnant now. Remember, you know, some people do things for music video and music video come out. So maybe she know come with that because she knows that the new body are come.
I use pregnant of all things. I put a pregnancy test. It's so, bling, I'm gonna ask you. It's so, I saw you like seek attention.
Well, maybe she shouldn't use the pregnant still, but me just say, me nah go say that a scam. It's just how some people do
Make
things.
money did I show her like really would I know. Make him actually never work out. Making money did I show her like we could have come with many other pranks. But no, they do this as something like seek attention. Eh?
Mackerel, me ask you something. You're not tired? Like you don't feel like say?
No. Mackerel stand alone.
Me know Mackerel stand alone, but what I want to ask you. You're not tired from last week, you're in the media, you know. You're not tired.
No.
You don't have much. Well, me forgot say you're not in there for a long time. Now you're there back in there.
All, you know, all they do. Then the things say when they come out, come tell the people pregnant. Yeah, it's not a kitty and a E and a bumbo clad. Then they think, oh, congratulations. Ray. Remember when everybody did excited about Miss Kitty pregnancy and bathing? Then they think, I want that, then did I go get? I'm sorry, your show flopped head.
Jesus. So, let me tell guys, did D take down that post? Did D take down that pregnancy post?
I choose people that put our post. I choose people that say she's pregnant. And as a pregnant, when you tell me saying that, as a look wife, you could attire yourself in a picture the big old belly band. So you could attire yourself. You make blood clot wife look ghetto. You know I'm a wife. Me hold me. How which your position me there?
Guys, push up the score, please. Push up the score. Remember the 13,000.
Oh, but me did a chat Rochelle. Shani is. I dig up long time so where she Rochelle a cost.
So Mackerel, them say you did that dig up long time something too.
When me dig up a long time, I just talk what I talk. Me not the time for a screenshot, nothing, and post up, nothing. Me just talk when me a talk. Me not have time for dig up and you tell me about Rochelle, you tell me about King, and he done this so.
Which King? King forever?
Yeah, say how much,
Which is?
King did have a gifter. And when the man come over here, me I say to him, the man feel so shocked. And that's why they go for long time screenshot. Because the man feel so shocked, say why do you that I want chat me with both him. The man feel so shocked.
Guys, push up the score. All right, guys.
You understand?
Listen.
See there, when you look on the blood clot date. It says the 8th of April 2020. Guys, the other day when Mackerel the company me that come beat down blood clot Kizzy. I say, Kizzy mash up our first car. I come here, come.
So that first car, that the car that way you
Some
say.
people crocodile blood clot here, back to blood clot back. And the one who believe the girl.
Alright, so people, we are gonna go over the and hear what they say, and then we are gonna hear from Mackerel too, cause we want to hear about the king thing, the king and the gifter, cause the gifter gonna come over D and I gonna say some things. So we're gonna hear from D and then we're gonna hear from Mackerel again.
I go cuss Kizzy. I say, Kizzy, you hypocrite. Kizzy, I don't got no, I ain't doing that. Me not know what she feel, man. No, guys, let me tell you no, right? Let me tell you no, right? Only listen now, only listen good. Only listen good. Me and the girl don't talk for months now. Me and Mackerel don't talk. All of a sudden, you gone pan bling alive and you talk about say. You gone pan bling alive and you talk about say. Me is not an ambassador. TikTok money to my body. That's the first thing what she say. Second thing what she said last night is me is a fake friend. A long time I want cause Jaden and me this and me that. So me come back this morning now because me realize say she keep on a job at me and me not address her. Me been a ignore her. Now this morning, I just see girl and me tell her, I say, well, me don't hold my tongue now. Since I say you like argument, come baby. Since I say you like argument and you want to be seen, me go give you the cloth where you look for. She go put up say, my body fake. That alone just go for show and say, the body a Mackerel problem. The body is Mackerel's problem. The body, man. From the body, the Mackerel are mad. See there? And I like session. And I like session stay bad. The girl not stay bad. So I mean, I understand how the girl make other people body a badder.
A bad man, she love club, bad man, love. That's why she talk about people body. She need to go do her eye.
You understand? Me will tell Nikisha what she say myself because of that she say. And that she say.
Go do her eye.
She said Nikisha teeth her style. That's why she don't like to play with Nikisha. She said Nikisha teeth her style and she don't like to play with Nikisha. And he said Maya go like his eye. He said, wait, no, he said Maya go like his eye. And Maya must remember when he just come for the app. Me I tell you why she said so. Me I remember one time when Maya have one big badge now. And Maya say, like, if you have people support you, you can give them back and support them back. You understand? Mackerel say, oh, very much. Maya go like she hype because when Maya just come for the app, Maya broke like a dog. Maya for their work. And if you video every day and them the same thing there. Mackerel chat everybody. Mackerel chat every single body. There's nobody Mackerel don't chat. Mackerel chat everybody. I remember me telling you say, me and people when me chat too. Because me telling you say, me did chat Rochelle too, but Rochelle knows that me chat him. Because me and Rochelle was not friend. So I did chat her. I don't afraid to say I did chat her. I did chat her for real. You understand? But we go over with differences and we good now. But of course we did chat her. But Mackerel chat the people them and still a friend with the people them. And you know tell the people them how he truly feel. He just there on the people them and try to get whatever information he can get about the people them for company people them life with it. You get where me I come from?
I want to look at dirty blood clot girl. No, she need her eye. She need to fix her eye.
Leon, come here.
Kiss me teeth and destiny. Go do your face. Me tell them what you do want. More do me hook mouth and that one blood clot. What should be in the side of the, you know? I pay enemy share bill up on blood clot D. The dirty girl. I'm gonna send you the video. Watch me your blood clot. Watch me.
But under that destiny, up to now it don't make no sense because she said she try style me. What is style me there where you say, at the end of the day now, you come out and talk about Jelani and Gifta. Tell me how that affect me though. Which part of me affect? When I go talk about Jelani in a Starlene inbox and Jelani are this and Jelani are that. Me name Jelani, me name D, Jelani name Jelani. So where the cuss when Mackerel for cuss me, up to now me no see. Uno no come to me with nothing make no sense all now. Me come show uno the car receipt when me sell Mackerel the car when Mackerel say I no good car. Me show you when rice, me show you rice and Mackerel again. Because you think I lie me a blood clot tell. Remember Mackerel told me say car when me sell her is not a blood clot good car. Destiny wait, me go show you how Mackerel is a fake person to wait. No go away, me I show you. Wait, me show them that video you put.
I want to see na me go on Telegram group and show no Mackerel. But deep, you want to sell her face in there. That's why I say deep. Jesus Christ. Not even my one of deep some.
Alright, see video yeah. Turn up your brightness. Okay, up. Me I show you, because you think a blood clot like me I tell. Mackerel say car when me sell him is all. Guys, if you buy one car for fucking $150,000 and you only pay 100 and balance the rest, and she could come up with the 150, she give me $134,000. She still owe me. See the blood clot car there. Where the fuck do you expect a Mark X for $134,000, pal? See how the man do her there? Right there, so. See the blood clot car there, make a zoom up. When you look for rice now, see rice all come out there now. See rice there. I see Mackerel did a show you again. I don't care. I could have 40 picking me have. Mackerel no more and blood clot me. Mackerel no more on me. So the blood clot car on me sell her. Mackerel said the car on me sell him no good. But if the car no good, oh your man a drive you and a kill. See that? Oh the man a drive you, but he no good. See that? Mackerel fast like a jet. So guys, all the car when me sit down good, but he almost do it fast.
What's in the day Mackerel out of 150,000?
Destiny the girl. Destiny see the receipt at Destiny.
I wish she go get for that. She bright. She didn't get no good blood clot Benz me, man. She bright.
Alright, and that, me never tell Mackerel say he's a blood clot
I
after
don't Benz me, man. You don't go get it. They don't get no Benz me, man.
Alright, people. So, let me know what you think in the comment section. Because one thing with them woman here, you know, them are go sit down and them are go chat people. And then when them kick off, them are go expose the person where them sit down and chat other people with that them are go do. You see what I say? And me don't know why these female can't, you know what I mean, be good with each other. This time them good, next time them kick off. But we are gonna watch some more my people, and then we are gonna go over Mackerel and hear what Mackerel I say, because Mackerel and the Lion Man did the live. So we can watch some more, then we go over the Mackerel.
In the car, April 8, 2028. See there, and the balance was where there? Where balance part there? See fucking see here. Destiny read, can you can't read? See there? See there, Mr. Larry the car as is. A balance of 34,000 is to be sent in NCB account provided on the 8th of April 2027. Sorry, 7 Mr. Larry the car.
Where can you 2028?
2020.
Lord, 2020. Come here now. But come here now. Mackerel should have known, say, she not fi go buy no car because she can't see. She not no lie, so. She should have known, say, she not fi buy no car.
See there. Build this and be turkey.
She can't see. So she should have known, say, she not fi go buy no car.
And then you go, what the fuck? You don't want to be man.
D at 2000, it look like a 2028, he say.
At 2020. Lord God, let me talk about no.
Let me see it.
No, then get the chassis number and the engine number.
No, let me see it. See it, they no April.
Alright, Destiny, come here. Destiny, me going to show you how Mackerel fake now. Me I show you how the little fake. Destiny, me I ask you something. Everybody on the live, me I ask you know. When somebody buy one car, when they sell a car, do you give the people your license plate and your insurance? You don't give them those things. Right? No. Destiny, me give Mackerel my license plate and my insurance, Destiny, for almost 14 months because Mackerel not have no license, the man not have no license. And me say, they buy the car, me no want them to just have the car, put on some can't drive the Destiny. And as a friend, me give you my documents them to use. Me give you my documents them to use. And you use my blood clot documents and I want me to get them back a problem. A problem for me get them back. And anything to the car, guys, and me would have in a problem. If they did drive and kill it, me not did it, but me that get in a trouble. If they did drive the car go thief, me not did it, but me that get in a trouble because me the car register too. And I never had to do it, and me do it out of the goodness of my heart. Me I sell me car for 150,000, and me take off how much half a hit and sell it for 134,000, and me never have to do it. Me never have to do it, and me do them the things there. Your blood clot there, you are hungry to bomb clot. You
I bet be my Mackerel want. Mackerel bright.
You want some dinner to blood clot, and me carry me hand go eat dinner. And you go on the road and tell people about how me house dirty and stink. And Mackerel, nobody also dirtier than you. Mackerel, any of me house dirtier than you. Right now, me pay you to blood clot. Because nobody no nastier than you. Nobody don't nastier than you on this planet. I promise God that.
You know, see how one place Mackerel stand in the corner of the house.
And then now, you talk up yourself because she a try get people on her side, Destiny. She gone to King now. I tell King say, meet your King with Charlene. And Charlene can't come on no live. Right now, come say D call her phone. Or D text her and chat King. Else that woman they would have dead bad because that woman they would have wicked. Because nothing no go so.
How she gone to Nikki gone carry them? Why Mackerel do all of this?
But at the end of the day, me done so she said about Nikisha already. And I never know if it's about Nikisha because I don't know Nikisha from nowhere. Me and Nikisha never have a private conversation or nothing like that yet. So I don't have no reason for chat Nikisha. But because she and Nikisha play every day, Destiny, come here, talk it to God love. Destiny, if me and you get up and play every day, we now go automatically start have the same gift as them, right or me wrong?
Right, true.
So at that now she has say, all our gifters them, Nikisha thief them.
Where my pillar ball in the background?
I stop, she stop. One back. You get to be a conference, so true, she and the lady play every day. She said the woman a thief her gifters them. And that she said about Nikisha. So anything she want to tell Nikisha, say me say, you up to Nikisha if Nikisha want to believe. Because me say I don't know Nikisha from I don't have no reason to say no
Nikisha,
about
I know
that.
say a true you talk because come here now. If the gift of them support Nikisha for true, she I know say a true.
Of course they support her.
But if she believe that means Nikisha look friend. I really blood clock, nobody can beat me no my germs. But also I say, me I say. Yeah.
But at the end of the day, Destiny, as me I say, me and you play every day, we automatically have the same gift as the girl wants to stop play with Nikisha and don't know how to stop play with Nikisha. You hear?
Oh.
Because them a share the same gift as yeah, he stop get the amount of points when you used to get, he now get them again.
So you see she start play the, and that's why she play the Guyanese them so hard for what they are never cost her. Okay. I never see small do that.
So that's a it. I'm say I'm not afraid to say it. Because truth are truth and lie a lie. I'm not need to come tell no lie for Mackerel. You see me, I go to Nikisha, I don't go to Nikisha, I'm talking about Mackerel here. So I'm talking about the situation. You never see me take on my phone and go call Nikisha and tell Nikisha say Mackerel say. Me not do that. Me a talk right. That's your destiny. Me a talk right just so how it go. I'm Mackerel, me a custom, me a talk everything about Mackerel.
Alright, some people, tell me who no feel say bad mind. You know what I mean? Because the thing with Nikki and Mackerel, you see me I say, them start off the cussing thing. You see me, them used to do it, but for a good while, me not see she and Mackerel. Me see Mackerel mostly with other people. You see me, but if me and you I do something and me find out say the people them who used to give me, them a come give you, you know. And if me I do it with the next person, them I go come give me more. Me gone from around you see me I say, and other people me I do it with, you see me, cause it's all about making money, and if me not make no money, me not go turn around you. You see me? So I just that my people. Sometimes these people on social media have to know say, especially on TikTok, them have to know say, yo, this thing here a money making thing. So don't feel no way if certain things go on. You see me? So make watch some more people cause the gifter soon come on the live, and you know what I mean, when I go hear more.
Nikisha go here eventually. Nasty little rich. I go chat to people name. Yeah, she will turn it up and she will make Nikisha hear because of that she say. God up at heaven and that she say. And that Mackerel say. I'm not afraid to say that Mackerel say. And at the end of the day, I don't need to add on and I don't need to take off. Because as me say, me don't know Nikisha like that. If say something where she not say. You understand? That's what she said.
Me don't know why dirty stinking suckle, dirty cranny, blood clot, Mackerel walk and get everybody involved. That thinking dirty girl, somebody can box down her blood clot. Dirty nasty fuckers, Mackerel. You shit dirty, this dirty blood clot, roach. You don't stop build enemy pan blood clot, these and no position for the blood clot, cause you dirty, you cranny, you stink, you mucky. You stay bad. You can't, when y'all look right, or when you look at left, y'all look. Dirty girl. Go man, you're a germs, go. You walk a billion in the blood clot, girl, dirty cockroach.
I will say, I will know. Who they say me do know?
Over there tell Nikki P0Ple, Nikki now, cause Nikki only say, everybody feel sleep good pan your pants, so.
No,
And
but
that
I'm
true,
about
everybody feel young down pan
Destiny, let me tell you something. Me never call, Destiny, let me tell you something. Me never call.
I tell you, let me show you better Mackerel. Me look better Mackerel, see Mackerel look good. You see, me never wear promotion we get. Me no wear free wig. I buy my wig them.
She had done you. Mackerel can't done no blood clot body.
She can't done blood clot me.
Cause that's what I Mackerel want. She
I like tell. The I like them I tell for her. She can't done me. Cause I know she done blood clot me. Put out all of the video them. Cause me have all the video them in Matty wall. Every blood clot. Everything. Every blood clot thing. Yeah.
Guys, wanna check if Mackerel this thing.
She can't call me any cause everything I have. Puss. You're mad. Cuss woman can't cuss me. Stinking man can't cuss me.
He send Mackerel what screenshots say you the in our inbox and you're this and you're that and you're chat king and 100% thing. I have king per live and 100%. So me say how the conversation they go now. Send me the screenshot or whatever if I saw you go. Cause me know me did it the day when she call up on the phone and me hear everything and me know you never send until that little dirty woman there. So how you go? Ain't this thing.
Me blood clot tell me say all of Mackerel clot me. Me have them lock.
One.
Me have them lock no blood clots. Me have them lock. I mean I tell no lie. Lock. Bitch, I mean alone can't take away your man them cause me bad. Mackerel don't come for me please.
But Destiny, Mackerel and somebody for really actually argue with you cause Mackerel look
D. Me say, alright, me no, me want to show D, but me don't feel like saying, D.
Let me see it.
No, D. Me feel like you go talk me love. When me get the video for me, don't want you talk. No, D. The only somebody can come up and talk, I want to moderator them because she alone me tell.
Brother.
Mackerel.
Nothing wrong with Destiny class. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with Destiny class.
Wait. What you going to go on? Me not go say. Yeah, bad, you know. Father God, me say see trouble, I'll leave it alone. But I tell you, say it's a hypocrite and top bill enemy pan the girl. Me never say nothing bad. Oh, look up, Destiny,
that little girl is a wicked girl. As me say, feel down when people do for her good in her life. Everything that people do for Mackerel in her life. Everything that people do good for Mackerel in her life. A bad thing Mackerel say people do. Everything that people do in her life to blood clot. She say a bad people do for her. Because at the end of the day,
blood clot class because she don't know about me a blood clot and no man never left me at a me left blood clot man cause why can't run it blood clot. Mackerel raw no blood clot not all of my angler they come here up on the word. Mackerel raw no blood clot not if back here help am love cause she raw. Mackerel remember say your blood clot thing give it to me in pies. Move your dirty bit about the sour body blood clot stink black monkey go away. Remember say your blood clot thing give it to me in blood clot pies go away.
Come here. Charlene, can you join my life, please? I want to ask you something. God got me just see you coming. I'm going to say you, Charlene. Because I know me never hold conversation yet. So I want you to come tell me how you tell Mackerel say. Me a Chad King, please and thanks. Come here, Charlene, thank you. Come here. Yeah, come here, Charlene, because I really want to know how the fuck this go. Because I know me never hold a conversation yet. Never in a history. Good morning. What time now? Afternoon. No, done with what? Charlene. Then no, Charlene come again.
Get it?
Yeah, Charlene, what's up? Charlene, do I have your phone number?
No, I'm right here.
You hearing me?
Yeah, look. See?
So, see the woman here, you know, my people, she the gifter, you know what I mean, and she a go try, you know what I mean, get herself out of the mix-up, you see me, she said she don't want in the mix-up, because she give a lot of people, you know what I mean, but D and King did kick off, and Fear name did come up, say, somehow, some chatting a King and D did involve in a chatting King and the husband, you see me, so D and King them did in a little foolish, a little mix up, so here where she I say I know my people.
Listen to me. I never had a conversation with nobody about you. Nobody could bring no screenshot and say I said anything. I don't, listen to me. The mix-up, all I have my name in this morning is, she only had also call me and say, Charlene, I don't know you to be this waste person. You can't say no. I now call your husband because I asked him, I said, oh, Jelani, what is my name calling up on TikTok? Nobody never hear me, no confusion. Nobody cannot bring me no confusion. So I heard you saying that, King, I wanted to pay all it to cost, that's how, I pay all it to wanted to cost she and Sasha or whoever.
Hear me I say
I never had no conversation.
Wait, hear me I say no. Yeah, you never will me and you
Listen
never
to
will a
this.
conversation before, right?
Let me
And
say this, yes.
wait, no, Charlene, you have to listen. You have to listen, because you can't talk if you're not going to listen. You have to make me talk.
Wait, let me finish talk and then you will respond to what I'm saying. Let me finish talk, sweetheart. I'm not
about
going to
King.
argue with you.
You want
Listen to this. I did not
conversation about King Charlene?
Listen, let me let me talk first, please.
Right,
Listen to how the wherever conversation, wherever falling out me and King had, or wherever falling out me and King had, I never came to you and say anything about this and that or whatever, right? I never call your name to nobody. Nobody on this life could never say I call your name, Jelani name, anybody name. Right. What I'm saying to y'all is I am not on TikTok gifting anybody anymore. I used to give you. You said I never gift you. I give you. I give your husband. I give everybody. I don't want nobody calling up my name in no mixer because I'm not a mixer person. I am begging y'all, please.
Alright,
I'm not in a mix-up, and I am not I don't want nobody calling my name in mix-up. This don't look good. It don't sound
Charlie,
good.
but you're not listening. You're not listening to what me I say. Me talk now, so you can understand what I'm saying.
Alright, go ahead.
At the end of the day, Mackerel say, me tell she say. Well, me don't know how conversation go, but the people them say Mackerel say and me say. In which, as me I tell you, me and Mackerel no hold no conversation about Charlene or anything like that, because as me say, me and Charlene never yet have a conversation. Me the pan
No, Mackerel said the man tell her so.
I did not say that to nobody. Nobody can never say I had a conversation. I don't even know Mackerel. Mackerel don't know me.
If me I tell you, and me I tell you, say me and Mackerel no have a conversation about no Charlene and about no, because Charlene never talked to me. So
I never had no conversation with Mackerel. I never had no conversation about you to nobody. Anybody who could say that, let them come. No. Listen to what I'm saying. Because listen to me. I'm a married woman and my husband is actually these things. I call Jelani and I tell him that. He's very disturbed. He's very disturbed. What I'm saying is I never had a conversation with nobody but none of them. And I don't want my name in confusion. I don't care what people want to say, D. I don't go with what people had to say. Once you have proof that I, Charlene, call your name, you could come to me. If you want, Jelani know the individual I am. So I just say that to have my name calling up in wherever you and Mackerel have, sweetheart, if you hear I say something to you, come to me, inbox me. Jelani has my number. You could ask Jelani to call Charlene, get you on the phone. I know in the back and forth with this is so childish and we grown people. And I just come on. I give you. I give King. I give shit. I give a lot of people on this app. I don't understand why my name in all this confusion. Why my name calling me? You see that how I come up here and is I didn't know anything because I was on TikTok. Is Sionny that call me and say he never know that I am this type of person and I'm asking what are you talking about? And I give you Mackerel. I give you Mackerel never. I give Mackerel a couple times and I give a whole heap of people can say I give them on this live. But that don't mean to say I come in inbox and have conversation about anyone. Never.
See Ali? Hey. I make something.
I would really like to ask Mackerel when me and she have a conversation about you. Mackerel, D. But she showed me the screenshot. I saw what Mackerel don't even know my name. And you know my name because of your husband. Listen to me, Mackerel don't even know my name. Let Mackerel show you where me and she had conversations. I don't even...
Wait, let me mute Charlene. Charlene, not gonna me mute a little because I want to say something, but let me explain something to you, guys. Let me mute this thing. You mute? Mute. Guys, alright, let me explain something to you, right? Let me explain something to you, right? Listen. Charlene did come on just now, Charlene said whatever she and King had. We now get in whatever she and King have. You see, whatever Charlene and King have, Charlene have a King business that. Hence the reason why this morning I kept saying, is King believing what Mackerel is saying? Because I did not want to go into whatever them have. Remember, teeth and tongue meet, and people are going to talk fuck about people. If me and Jelani are my husband, and if me and Jelani Dex right now, I'm going to say a lot of rude, bad stuff to Jelani, or about Jelani, and life, as so you go. So if Charlene and King fall out and them cuss and them class each other, King can't say anything about Charlene. Charlene can't say anything about King. That don't mean that it is true. If you don't understand where I come from. Right? You just talk. If you don't understand where I come from, that don't mean that it's true. But at the end of the day, when me did want to clear up is, me and Charlene never had a conversation before. They say King say him believe because Charlene did tell him say, Jelani a chat him. Cause that she tell me upon the phone like a while too. She said Charlene did come to them and say Jelani is chatting him. Jelani, listen, let me tell you something. Me did the day when Charlene and Jelani was having a conversation on the phone and Jelani never had nothing to say. So nobody can say Jelani been a chat King.
People, let me tell you something, man. You see, anyway, money I give it. Remember, me tell you, say foolishness I go on there, so. You see me? Anywhere money I give it, man. Me I tell you, foolishness I go on there. You see me? I say, oh, you see when it come to females, them no ram for chat to one another, you know. And then, as me said before, when them kick off, them start to expose. You know what I mean? So, this is how the officer. We are going to watch some more and then we are going to go over Mackerel.
Because Jelani never have nothing to say. I mean, did the day. You understand? So nobody never tell no lie on Jelani because at the end of the day, I'm my husband, I'm have to have him back. I mean, never tell no lie for Jelani either. If Jelani did say so, insist, but Jelani never that chat nobody. So when you see Mackerel, that's why I'm glad Charlene come up now. No, man, me go make she talk. Me go stop talking and make she get PR chance to talk to. Because me want she to clear the ear too. You understand? But when me I said to Uno say is, at the end of the day, guys, teeth and tongue meet and people go say things. The teeth and tongue meet and people go say things. But Mackerel literally just over there, call people name because she a try mix me, I just that. So that's why she call Charlene name. Because I not even know how Mackerel know that they Tory there. But what Charlene and King business? I don't know how she know. But somehow she find out and she say, I mean, say. I mean, I know how to do with it. Me and Mackerel used to talk. But at the end of the day, me realize, say, Mackerel, mouth enough in Mackerel mouth. So me stop tell Mackerel things. Because I realize say Mackerel mouth enough in Mackerel mouth. So I stop telling Mackerel things. So I never tell Mackerel that. The people are not ears now. Me I tell them say, me and Mackerel no want no conversation. I want to listen. You just nah listen. You not smart. You take contact. Alright, Destiny. Destiny, see if you understand me I said to you, right? Look, King talk over Charlene little while say. King talk over Mackerel little while say. Him believe Charlene, him believe Mackerel because Charlene can't tell him say we are chatting, don't it? So at the end of the day, you don't know who to believe. You don't know who to believe because what? Him admit that so he go when he never go so. He Charlene say he never go so. You don't know who to believe.
King coming on your life right now. Because let me tell you something. Yeah, let me tell you this. They never see me on social media yet. Nobody can say that this is not me. And you hear what I do? I go to the direct sources. I don't have time. He say, she say, them say. It's children thing. I don't have time for it. I was King gift out. Everybody gift them. Not I give you. You say you never. I never give you gift. I give you. I give shit. I give everybody. I even give Destiny at one time. I give other people. Listen to me. I don't understand how I end up in the mix up. I'm calling. I call King and I call his phone direct for him to come on your live to clear up this.
Because Charlene, listen, I'm tell you, you never have to reach us to you know. Listen, you see, I call Sashay now because me a try to say Sashay, King a believer. Sashay I call King, King now come, which means that King believer Charlene I tell him say. Not the girl, the ugly one, Mackerel. He believe when Mackerel I tell him say. You understand? So at the end of the day, you have to expect me have to go pick up for myself. No. Me have to go talk my truth, don't it? Me can't just sit down and make
B, I'm not mad at you for what you're doing now, sweetheart. I'm not mad at you, but just saying let we get down to the bottom. By we cursing and doing all of this, we won't get the truth. So I said I asked King to come on your live because I don't want this mix up. I don't want this mix up. I give a lot of people on this app and nobody can say I come in the inbox to tell them. The only person, 2 persons on this app are my number and that is Jelani and C0Me. And C0Me don't message me, don't have that conversation. We don't have that conversation. King and Shay was the only person I used to give before that. And they had my number. And we never had nothing like this. So I want them to come and explain themselves and what stupidness, why I end up in all this. I never even had a conversation with Mackerel. I want Mackerel show you when me and she had conversation.
I saw the little fuck a little bit and lie that little stuff.
She said she used to give me.
You used to give them, I'm not sure.
You used to give me my love and me see her for one comment and bring me down and me block her no long. Me nah don't talk. You know long? Yes, you should give me my love and me see her for one comment and bring me down and me block her. Yeah, block her. After she don't get blocked. Nah don't talk, me love. Me nah don't talk.
I hold Jelani in a gift inbox. Then I wish blood clot gift inbox. Because Jelani never look Charlene yet. See Charlene can blood clot her. Jelani never look blood clot yet. Because Jelani never make him bumbo clot. Look oh. I don't mean Jelani left a still my man that. But I don't get him. Where am I cup of tea?
So who told you I said Jelani look me D? Or let us.
Alright, so people, let me know what you think in the comment section with the officer. So we are going to go over Mackerel now, and also my people, the explain to Blinger Wagwan with she and Mackerel, and me I go make you hear that after we get into a Mackerel officer.
Girl, but angle that. I'm a so me I say, and you can't defend that. Go ahead.
And the car crash. So at the end of the day, you could have deal with the girl better, and that is all I said to her in the past. I said twice you could have deal with
You can't tell me how to deal with Gilad because Gilad not deal with your good. You can't tell me how to go deal with Kizzy because Gilad not deal with your good. You have to go worry about how Gilad if he deal with you. You need to go worry about how Gilad if he go deal with you. That is what you have to go worry about. You can't tell people how they have to deal with their situation when Gilad have you as a floor clot. That don't make no sense. When you call Kizzy in a blood clot house, me a Kizzy India not taking a call. You know shame. Send all of them under them. But me ever come to you with mix up. You come to me with blood clot mix up too. How they know about Charlene and King, eh? Our. You talk about why your mother-in-law hate you? He didn't accept you their family, but your wife. And they didn't accept you. Yeah? And that them gonna talk about why they don't accept you in the family. Eh? She said about King. All the things she can do is post screenshot when she and Rochelle no deal. All the things she can post screenshot when she and Rochelle no deal. I'm saying all the things them about Rochelle. Eh? She chat the boy and the gifter. She did it. Who pay for married? No more she. Jelani work. Jelani work, we can pay for married. Yes, Jelani with a job. No free rides over here.
my mother-in-law wouldn't like me. Yeah, my mother-in-law cool.
Me and my mother-in-law good. He gonna like you. He wanna like you, but don't you thinking pussy and he want to put me a jacket. I saw man deal with him when he put up his phone that's about dirty pussy. Move about how much things they do for your mother-in-law. If people have hate you, if people just attack you because they talk to you, see it. Go ahead.
Destiny, see if Mackerel was a better person, Mackerel would have our house back. But I remember when Mackerel and Rice come out and they dig down their land area and everything. Mackerel auntie give her a piece of land.
We know what that nothing to do with you. Your blood clot out upon a rock. That if who cares about if I want to have land, who this, who that's how it move your blood clot. Girl I go mad don't know. Tell her stop by wood. Be a wood in paper. Move. That I'm telling you, when you do that boy, and the boy mother don't like you, that is so that means that something just Just, you know what? He woman just don't like it. He just wrong. And the boy, him and the next one stand up and make it all as mighty old fun. Disrespect him mother. Him and the next one too. Move boy if you sleep with mother-in-law, boy. You could have a house. Where you about me a house for? Me no want no house for living off your blood. Me house can't skate on it all. Me may have to build house called G00D in our work. And you have to fend for you all out. Go lady.
G00D is a ranking little man.
Jamaica Queen, but Jamaica Queen and friend, me have to answer that if you tell my friend stuff. And me and her are good friend. Jamaica Queen is not that if they like you tell.
Jamaican Queen.
Yeah, about Jaden vibes. G00D not a friend. G00D not a friend. Move. Everything she defend her husband. She here say, oh, he man there a gift at inbox, hear him. And friend that is say, everything he defend him man when I want him.
Alright, my people, we're going to listen some more what Mackerel have to say, and then we're going to go over to D, you know what I mean, because D, I bust it up wicked for Mackerel, you know what I mean, D expose Mackerel did one dash way herself because the man left. So we're going to hear all of that, my people. We're going to watch some more of what Mackerel have to say, and then we go over D.
Move! Everything people for post. We say what we are saying already, and everything people for post. Move from right to beat the stick, girl. Like how you post anybody beat your caca clot all about help, help, go ahead. Would buy a day. Me just hate it, woman. The woman just always have blood clot. Me just hate it, woman. The woman just bag a fear married girl. The woman just little bit of blood clot. Nice for a married woman. What the woman just blood clot. The woman just, me don't know. It's a sad married bitch. Sad married. Me gonna post this and I gonna sad married bitch. Yeah, that sad married. Here are G00D in a gift inbox and G00D up. And somebody never look for mine, the whole blood clot lot of them. Somebody never look for mine, the whole lot of them. G00D soon gonna left her. Why? Here, they want somebody man the whole lot of them about G00D in the inbox. And leeches, they want come talk to the people. Leeches. So if you want subs, I can't subs, he's a big woman. Already your subs, my back. Wait, I'm going to make me lose weight. You're crazy, you're big and delusional. Guys, me I come back 6 o'clock, you know. I could have picked in hungry. Blood clot, wait, your blood clot, go blood clot, clean up. My penny can't hungry, why penny I go hungry? My penny can't hungry. Destiny alone like the move. And that one wash. Stink. You all stink. You also are clean. You also are clean. Be a matter in my eye, but your house dirty. I just store the pin of them clothes in Ottoman. You cannot afford a chest to draw. You cannot afford a chest to draw, girl. Eh? You cannot afford a chest to draw. Shanice, come here. At 5 o'clock in the morning, I left your blood clot yard. But uncomfortably and I have no good bed. Go ahead, girl. Bright. Move from right there, so. Ask G00D, move your blood clot. You chat Rochelle, I'm just show you everything with Rochelle. Go ahead. You chat Rochelle, I'm just say anything them with Rochelle go out because I first come with the chat them. Go ahead. There ain't nobody. Alright, stop now. Alright, may I stop now. May I stop now.
Meaning that people can be friends in an inbox. Because I only probably me and them are friends, right?
May I stop now. May I stop now.
Right? And Mackerel come and say that. And I saw you go. That means Jamaica, yeah, listen now.
So what me arrest for? The tongue ever wide. So how she gonna argue me about mouth? The tongue ever wide. When she argue, how she fi argue me about mouth? She can't hold a mouth argument with me. The go one side, the. When they stop be a man beating stick, then we can, you know, you can talk back. We can talk, okay? When they stop be that, because you have to fed for the whole family and plus the boy a beat up on top of it. So leave now, leave from out of here. So them ready for tell lie. So that them doing now. Them stay one side and they chat you. They stay one side and the one of them group up and the one of them chat you with their so-called husband. So anything she not talk, anything the girl them mad. Yeah, Bill she want come Bill enemy for me. Me and the whole blood clot will say I don't send D no message. You know last time D send a blood clot I was sitting there. Me didn't even remember when she asked about where I come to come back, come tell her say. When I see the post the video, me not comment. Come tell a lie about me. I ain't go build the enemy with me. Go suck your mother. Come park a long time. But you not happy to me and Nikisha blood clot play. And we don't fall out. You not happy to me and Nikisha play. And we don't fall out. I don't mean make you can't keep nobody too long. Talk about the friend where did have when name Kitty. Wadi. And you eat the blood clot, girl. Girl. Alright. Go and trouble me. Oh, you put up that. Go and trouble me. Go and trouble me, girl. Go and trouble me. Go and trouble me. You know, tell the blood clot. I want you shot. Mama tell you something. Can you see you're not going to plan the enemy against me, you know? Mama tell you something. I want you shot Black Rochelle start play back and talk back. But she used to sit down and chat the girl about the girl bad mind. And when we used to play, remember when we used to have a little small fridge? And we used to play with Rochelle right there, so. She chat, she vex. And up in her feelings. And then she see me and Black Rochelle play. Do you want we forgot here? Come, yeah, Missy Shah showed the whole receipt a while ago. When we chat, when we this, when we buy the car, when the car drop me. She showed some of that chat Nikisha a while ago. She showed that, be a lie. Destiny that cost me over the, then a Destiny business, that Destiny work and take over everybody business. One for the word that. She gonna need some backative. But me I say what me I say. Me not cost Destiny. Destiny can go pick up for the E. Me I say what me a blood clot say. Me think friend of them. Destiny have to pick up for blood clot D. Cause a Destiny alone like D. You see nobody else like D? Destiny have to pick up for D. Cause Destiny alone like D. Where did I say now? Boy, you go post on status. Like you're a big bad girl. Like you was remember you're the man mascot. He boy that was top out your teeth them yesterday. You know, when the boy say, and you never see a play back with him. Now this you want, you got this you. Yeah, this you. It's foolish is your attack. The boy cannot disrespect me and me cannot laugh, so. Them boy cannot disrespect me and me just a laugh, so, giggle, so. A foolish is your attack. You alright? You're a sick blood clot, girl. You're sick. Of course, I'm afraid you see how when who did see a fake expression when Jelani a cuss. She have a fake expression on her face yesterday. Oh, Jaden, you're too enough. Can you see if I never blood clot you see whenever you want people have things, I'm coming in your box, some girl will try to size up with me here. Some little nobody girl. Talk about tell the blood clot people say take their money and buy man car and you have car. And you take your blood clot money and you do everything for the blood clot money man just write off your blood clot car and you come back and beg money for fix car. You think you have to come to blood clot help us? You think people have to make your man write off your car and them for come fix it back for you? Go work! Go make it work!
Chat, it's speed no chat. Everybody's in a row, no chat. Everybody's in a rows.
You know what I say? For sure, say them gyal enough and them gyal a love problem. Me just a reason with blood clot jaded, you know. And you gonna tell me say me I show subs. I'm an adult. I do anything I want to do. If I want to throw subs, I throw subs. If I want to call their name directly, I could have done that. Because when my blood clot, when the time come, my bills them to pay, you don't pay it. When we pay them to feed, you don't feed them. When for walk and arch in my back, you don't do it for me. So why you pick it up if me I throw subs? Why pick it up if me I throw subs?
Thank you.
What you ever do for me?
Mary Jane, Sheldon.
What you ever do for me?
Pim, thank you.
But throw subs. You think I'm afraid of you? To not call a name? I'm not afraid of you. The whole argument is not about you. It was just a warning to Jaden that he must stay in a lane. It's a warning to Jaden that he must stay in a lane. Eh? We need a TikTok Grammy Award. Shanice, take time. So, if me, I talk to Jaden, they can't fit it, I wear it. Or me is a fake bitch. The me never blood clot cross the road now play PE. Made it exercise that girl? Have you ever exercised? Remember make your night meal? Remember me support your business, you never support me yet. Remember.
Alright, my people, you see Mackerel have a lot to say. You see me? And more want to tell me who don't believe in this because I say Mackerel don't like Nikki, you know what I mean? And Missy Mackerel and Nikki on live. You see me? But from where they me not see them like how me used to see them on live. You know what I mean? So wanna make me know wanna think we are gonna watch some more people and then we are gonna go over to D and tell Blinger Wagwan and when Mackerel did want to do to herself when our man left her.
You come by the ugly person and then from out of your blood clot nails place. You never, and the people them laugh off of me and tell me say when we get the ugly person there. And you dig down in my back. You dig down in my back for the look of 2,000 feet got to your PayPal. You dig down in my back. You never support me yet. Me support you. Me come and buy the old right now B13. Me support you. So tell me what you ever do for me again? What you say you ever do for me again? Cause since me's a fake bitch. What you ever do for me again, D? Me support you. Because when nobody wants to play with you, I used to sit down and do that. Until we just... Roy. Yeah, you can't do that. Then just ever love take up people. Nobody not really like you.
No clubs.
One thing with
Miss
Mackerel when she a go rub, she a rub. Nobody not really like you. So true this is a Jaden up on top now, and up on bottom now. Who know want to see the blood clot boy? Jaden, one blood clot, Jaden. Defend that now. I want Jaden pon it up. Who never come with no slang yet. Nobody don't gravitate to me yet. Who the bad man boy, because boy can buy market. The reason about the green market. Come here. Come here, D. Come here. Come here. D, you remember the carrier? You remember the carrier where they need lane, yo? D, you remember the carrier where they need lane, yo? D, you remember the carrier where they need lane, yo? D, you want to go down in it? You want to step in it? D, you want to step in it, D? D, I don't want, I bet you will step in it today. You want to step in it today, D? D, you want to step in it? I don't know if you want to step in it. You remember the white Mitsubishi where they need lane, yo? You remember the white Mitsubishi and they talk about how you can't get no parts feet and any blood clot people. You remember the white Mitsubishi D go like a buy you buy it? Guys, D never buy your car. D never buy this car. Guys, wanna listen to me. D never buy this car. So stop make D come like she trying this and she trying that. D never buy this car. You know, I'm tell you how the car story I go. What do you mean? Girl.
Tell me.
Girl. You see, Saturday you sleep on night before last night, before you come out with your miserable life yesterday and today, try to go sleep upon the side there. Because I don't think you want us to hold this car argument. I don't think you want us to hold this car argument. When you come and brag about rental and I go like you no buy it.
Chat, everybody's in Soros.
You want us to talk about the markets too? The little
Everybody's
green
in
color
Soros. Chat,
markets?
come.
You want us to reason about that green color markets too? Whenever I hype about the blood clot people them rental and go like you know somebody. I don't think you want us to hype about. I don't think you want us to talk about this car. I don't think you want us to reason about this car. Mom, I don't think you want us to reason the official about this car. You want us to reason about it? Eh? What's she there?
Boss it up.
Oh. You bad girl? You bad girl? Oh. Go one side, lift up, and move. I'm gonna know your words. Them here, the boy come out and buy markets and move. Remember the markets so you buy. Remember you never own a markets. Remember loan goods. Remember loan it to you. Remember lend you. Say what reason about the green color market so you buy? Wait, not buy. Where you did have? You want reason about the green color markets where you did have? Where them lend to you? Because you know what look good for the media? Stop telling me things in my mind about my bust up the things then. Voila, Jaden, voila.
It match at 12 o'clock with World Dog, Jamaica time.
You feel lift up and fire up now. On the 8 girl can nobody not give you again. Because the world favorite them the funny app now. Nobody not really like you. Nobody not give you because nobody not really like you again. So you want to turn for everybody. The world favorite them the funny app now. Equal Periton and their blood clot rebel Switzerland and the whole away. And oh me too. With the funny app now say people
Get a
like
gloves, father. Hold on, put a gloves.
You're annoying.
Tasha, get a gloves too. Thank you.
Bright.
So get 2 more gloves.
Move. Go one side.
Sheldon, respect. Everybody will get gloves. Please. Yes, Shannon. Everybody will get gloves. Please stay or come at the match 12 o'clock. Please, me I beg you. Why am I so nervous? Me nervous.
She too hot, Tada.
No, I'm not in
Boy, I post old video. Still. Only not no real facts about girl. Nah here. Nah after nothing.
So people, it look to me like say Mackerel have things pandy. You see me, that it look like to me. You see me I say. So only make me know one thing people are gonna hear where they tell bling I say you know.
Chef. I say, yeah, of course, a Sunday Jelani cook dinner. She said, all right, she go come. And so she come my yard, me splinger, me give them picnic them room. The first thing as Mackerel reach, Mackerel first complain in a somebody house where they picnic in a. He pick them and make too much noise. The children live there, they picnic in a them peace, them space, them have a room, them have to enjoy themselves. And then Mackerel go say me splinger, oh very much. Mackerel gone back. After me and her stop chalk up and me and her no close up now. She had a conversation with my cousin. And I go tell my cousin about my house. My house not clean. So my cousin call me same time and tell me my cousin never play hypocrite. My cousin call me and tell me. When me confront Mackerel, Mackerel still lying, nothing no go so. Me say, hey, well, I screenshot them, so you will see them. When I message her about it, she said it's lying. She never said that to my cousin. I told my cousin I try a big friend from me. That alone just make me realize that Mackerel's a fake person, bro.
Alright, so what I know. We hear the partner. Tell me about the gifter. Tell me about the gifter, what you hear that say.
Right. Destiny know the gift that good, right? So Mackerel come out, the girl was on her live playing. Mackerel had the girl on the live and say how very much. Yeah, cause we have your file and we have the facts. Remember say, Jelani in that gift there, the gifter named Jamaica Queen inbox right now. That girl can't take your man right now and she a gone. So she basically has say, Jelani I look the gifter. The gifter come on my live and say, no go so. The gifter said she can't believe say that Mackerel so she said. And the girl say today she and Mackerel talk on phone. Cause Mackerel call her must see this morning after 6. And the girl said she tell Mackerel if you loud the argument, don't come live, go address nothing, just leave it. And she still come out and I tell P life and everybody she tell life on.
So when Mackerel get that the argument there from, that means say Mackerel a liar. Mackerel, that means say you a liar then goodie.
It's a made up story. Mackerel, no matter how the girl I call Mackerel for add Mackerel on the live with we, Mackerel nah come. Cause the girl is there, Mackerel know the girl I go flap her, see a lie she tell. So she nah come. Miss Blinger, she address everything else over here when you talk to her, but she never address that. Me right or am wrong?
Yes, she don't want address it, she don't want goddess. But she say, when me that push it, she say, but alright then, if the girl come say that then, no problem. She say what she say. Like she say, alright then. Okay, so Mackerel, me no know boy D. Mackerel come out strong for Uno. And everybody. Right now, Mackerel time now.
Strong for herself. Mackerel come out strong for herself. Because when you come out past somebody supposed to come out with facts, you come out with pure lie. You see Mackerel here, Mackerel can't tell nobody about man and beating. Because when man a deal with Mackerel, Miss Bling to the car when Mackerel so no good, make I show you. Because I want you to see with your eyes them, you know, girl. I show you the car when Mackerel so no good. The car when I sell Mackerel so no good, when I still owe my blood clot money.
Mackerel can't class me, chat. Mackerel can't class me. What Mackerel I tell you?
Bling, look, Miss Blinger, look. I can't let me sell him. It's a blur out.
But B, she said the car never have no something about the roof and rain a fall and them have to go shelter under one next place. Couldn't shelter in the car.
So Miss Blinger, but you look on the car and the car in a driving position and everything. Come phone, no bother with it.
D, listen. Something personal with you, Mackerel, when me see as a judge and a long time she want class you. That's when me see as a judge.
Yeah, because as me say, me and you don't talk, Miss Blinger. Alright, check Sexy Ray the other day when everybody from Guyana cussed the girl. Didn't I say me and her no cool or whatever? But me no feel like Uno Jamaica supposed to have class and cuss the girl. So you never see that. Me is not friend. And me the pan live and me a pick up for you same way. And you the pan live a blood clot bring me down. Obviously you act for me, mama.
That's just what I'm seeing. I'm tell her. I say, look like you want class D long time. So she say, yeah, nobody no get along D. And she lock you off from your cuss Jelani mother.
First things first, me and Jelani mother is quite comfortable and quite good. Second thing, Mackerel need to go lock off herself. Because just the other day, Mackerel pan own a live a class fee mother. Mackerel pan live a tell her mother, see her yeah, them knock like me. Mackerel, I cuss her mother. And I tell her mother, say her yeah, them knock like me. And me have to ask Mackerel, say then Mackerel, your mother yeah, them look like yours. Me never know, she say yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Remember, some Mackerel get piece of land the other day too, you know. Like when me get piece of land too, you know. And because I root this out and it's the auntie have to take you back and this tea mother go and this tea mother come. So Mackerel, if you talk about nobody, you can't talk about people, Mackerel. Ease up. Because your mother ate you like a dose of poison. So nobody with it. You come and chat about mother-in-law. You think my mother-in-law like you? Me call my mother-in-law right now tell her to go suck your mama. And come and find blood clan name. Cause my mother-in-law no take hands out and love up. My mother-in-law depend that. Outside that. Boy, you vex the mother-in-law. What you try do? You look company. You think I can't. This morning when she had Jaden pan her live, me glad when Jaden goes so. And that's easy. Not because the mother the pan live this morning, me say they ain't good. They're not good. Cause mother hate him like a poison. But just the other day, Mackerel mother, they talk to Mackerel, no help him do nothing. You not chat too much. But me and my mother have the best relationship, but my mother never come me that come class me yet. That's cool.
Well, now you see why in a Mackerel belly and a long time. Mackerel just have a problem with you and Jelani door and the beating.
Eh?
Me did see the video with Mackerel mother. I say, you know what I mean, Mackerel nah do nothing for her and them wear them. That's what I say. So Mackerel and D still, you know what I mean, me don't know why them a go at it, you know, but it look like say the long time vibes where them have that kind of fuel this wagwan, you know, because D say from she go do her body Mackerel a dashboard, right? And then the lion man, you know, go over Mackerel, or Mackerel go over Film Live and them attack, you know what I mean? And it look like some Mackerel a style D, you see me? So I hit kick off everything, you know, my people. So we are going to hear D I tell Blinger what Mackerel did plan for do herself when the man left.
Just have a problem with you and Jelani and the beating. You're being biased. You're being biased, bling. You're being biased, bling. Okay.
Where's about beating, Miss Blinger?
She have a problem with you and Jelani and the beating. That's what she has said.
Which beating?
She keep on saying, no, Jelani not top beating and one bag of something.
First of all, Mr. Let me tell you this. Me and Mackerel is not friendly. Mackerel know what goes on in my household. Because first things first, me not trust no girl them the way they to tell them what is going on in my household and stuff like that. So when Mackerel come out and say Mackerel chat, Mackerel is talking about the old video from long time. That is all she coming with. Mackerel, when you realize you have to know Mackerel can't post nothing with me when make sense. She don't come with nothing when make sense. I just the old thing she come with. That's why me draw from the video Miss Blinger where the boy rub off the car and have her run on the side. So like she's a blood clot bionic. That's why I post the video where the boy take your phone and smash up the whole and blood clot head. Because that's all they go come with. Man beat you go, man beat you come. The whole of the day as witness when you come and a ball over Tyrone. All of us was here. And please to remember, it's not you leave Tyrone, it's Tyrone leave you. Remember you call me and say you have a blood clot cell before I get back the man. And you send me all the man number for call him and stuff. So no bother with it.
What? What you say?
What you mean? So you never hear the girl come by you and say, me have a mistake. So she talk on the license about the boy. What you mean?
You're there.
Of course she talk it.
Guys, in that area. Stop. You're dirty water.
So wait, you never hear when Mackerel says she gonna
Me not gonna lie to you. Me never hear that. Let me see if you bring on ears them. Bring on ears, don't hear that?
Of course she call me, she tell me and she talk it on the live. That's why I tell her say that's a secret. And I like me alone, she tell she talk it on the live, brawling. Say myself.
Jesus
Yeah, the
Christ.
people that want to say them ears. See her destiny, I tell her say true. She talk it. She talk it brawling on the live, so she gonna and she talk like say, I something she da ball but Tyrone the woman did a ball for. I Tyrone left him, Miss Blinger. Tyrone tell Mackerel say my god man devil and Tyrone take plane. Man can't run from you, so. Any man run from me, so a problem. The man pack him and tell him say my god man devil. Scam me all that money off of your card. Buy a ticket gone to Barbados. You do the things the man a come home not eat from morning. When the man land up for in the sun,
Hello?
you little witch. He might go black on no kind of want to no talk.
Hold on. Mackerel. Company live with D.
Go on live with who? Me not go on live with no that girl. Them the girl not get no more strength from me.
No.
Go on live with him dead woman, him dead papa.
Alright, Mackerel. Alright, listen. You're not easy, you know. Me not like how you do things because you what? Alright, so you listen what me I say. Alright then.
But is a
Me not like
cokehead.
how you
Guys, if you don't realize from morning, me a cuss the girl up to now, me not talk about her
D
yet. Up to now, me not
D
talk about her body.
D Mackerel say she have video. No, with when man bust up your mouth and a ball and you talk about shit when man liquor in her head.
Miss Blinger, that video is already viral. I am a star for that video, Miss Blinger. I know man never bust up my mouth. Jelani goes boom, give me one hand back and chew me having braces. The whole like bust up. Miss Blinger, make a play it myself. You wanna see? That video is viral, it's my video. So good girl, that viral. Come with Cynthia. Come with someone when a viral dirty whore. Yeah. At least you never over your ball for your man come back, don't it? I was a balling for a man to come back to me, no Mackerel. Miss Blinger, make a plate for you, baby. Make a plate for you. But which one worse? Which one is worse? Mackerel, come with something.
Mackerel, company life. Me hear say you over there class, my blood clot, your shit house.
Jelani, you ready? Let's go. Come in and stand for no life with no idiot girl. That now go happen. No, whether she want to come for life, she can come for life. That's a fair business. But at the end of the
Some people they jump off her live because she thinks a Mackerel did go come on the live, but Mackerel never go on the live. You see me? So let me know what you think in the comment section where people hit that alright just so me I end it.